When I was searching for some pistol mag holders, I came across Mag Storage Solutions. Patrick sent out the mag storage holder. And everyone knows I don't believe in doing unboxing videos. I take them out and check them beforehand. Now we're going to take a close look at this and show everyone a few things about it. And I will take this out of a box because I'm going to show you how to mount it. First of all, I want to let everyone know this comes with 16 dividers. It takes 2 in between each magazine. And what you see on the back, you have 60 different positions to space out your dividers, depending on which magazines you put. Now I'm going to show everyone just a few of what we can put in here. Got a Beretta M9. Another Beretta M9, Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0, got a Glock magazine. Now I've got 3 1911 single stack magazines that will fit in here. Another Glock magazine, and a SIG magazine for P229. And you also have storage down here on the bottom for your smaller magazines. These are a couple 380 Ruger mags. And these are some mags for a Beretta Bobcat. I've got about 3 of them in here. And a couple things, if you've got speed loaders, you can also put them in there as well. And your speed strips. So you've got a wide assortment of what you can put. And here's a little CSX magazine that was just too short to put in the top. So you can put all this stuff in here. Now I'm going to show everyone the mounting kit. This is one of the 4 little pieces that you get in the attachment kit. Follow the instructions. You wipe off all 4 corners. And hold it on here for 30 seconds. It's very important you put it on in this particular sequence or they will not stick. And on these last 2, just save a little time, we'll put both of them on at the same time. Now it gives about 30 seconds. We'll take a little break. I'll mount it on the side of the safe to show everyone how to do that. And before I mount this up here, I want everyone to see I put a couple pieces of masking tape as a reference line, so I make sure I get everything straight. Find the position you want. Make sure it's what you want before you stick it down. We're going to hold it down steady for about 30 seconds or so. And before I forget, there's also 4 holes in here in case you want to screw it on there. I hope everyone enjoyed this video and likes this product. After the 72-hour recommended period for that to dry, I'll come back with a little short video so everyone can see the magazines in the mag holder mounted on the safe. Go to the Mag Solutions website, pick out what you need. Check out his Facebook page. Make sure you check out the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about this channel. Till next time, have a good day.